narrows down in the third and fourth quarters. Conley with it. Towns. And it's going to be a goaltending call here, so they'll count the bucket.
He didn't get to that one quite in time, Kevin. Those can be tough to gauge sometimes.
Denver in the lead. And it's going to be 2 free throws. Drew contact on the shot.
0.
The first one falls. Gordon hits both of them. Now here's Conley. Knocked away. Here's Gobert. Off target from the baseline.
Tell you what, he can be really frustrating as a shooter. All you can do is grimace because he just can't find the range.
Pass to Caldwell Pope for the 3. And the shot is good. He's got 9.
I like the offensive awareness to exploit that lack of coverage on that play.
Here comes Conley. And if you're just joining us, we played over a minute here in the third. That 3 off the mark. Outside Gordon. And that one's good.
The defender a little hesitant to offer resistance as he bursts to the hoop.
And the Timberwolves call time here. Third quarter of play with just over a minute and a half gone by. Pass to Caldwell Pope. Now here's Gordon. Backing in. Well-placed alley-oop pass into the layup. Now here's Conley. Here's Gobert. Back to Conley. Will it go? It's hauled in by Gordon.
Boy, I tell you what, the complexion of this game would be completely different if he shot the ball anything like he's capable of.
Pass to Porter. Here's Caldwell Pope. Here's Caldwell Pope. They grab their own miss. The 3. There's the bucket. Good. He's got 5. Well, we're into the third quarter, just over 2.5 minutes played. Outside Conley. Warren. And that one is stuffed right through. The Nuggets on offense. It's a 12-2 run here, good pace. Jokic, took the contact and tried to throw it down over the top. But instead, he'll shoot free throws. These are his third and fourth free throw attempts of the game. The Timberwolves making a switch here. Good on both.
Can you believe the job they're doing at the foul line since halftime? I mean, they've been perfect so far.
Clark, they've been struggling here on offense.
Yeah, a little bit of cottonmouth here. Dry spell for sure.
Outside Conley. Shot clock at 6. There's the triple, and he gets the bucket. He's got 5.
Boy, I tell you what, he loves getting looks like that from the three-point line. No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
6-second difference between shot and game clock. And he can't answer back. The three-pointer offline. That one rolling around and rims out.
That's a huge part of what they want to do defensively. Limit his easy chances inside.
And as we end the third quarter, a double-digit deficit. And we're getting underway here in the fourth quarter. The scoreboard tells the story in this matchup, but we'll see how much things change up here. And here's Gordon. Backs him down.
Number 1.
And the Timberwolves making a change here. Pass to Porter. Gives him the lead pass. Jokic. And he lofts it toward the rim. Throws down the alley-oop slam. Now Conley. Towns. It's hauled in by Gordon.
Boy, I tell you what, guys, he's an extremely strong finisher. I'm surprised he wasn't able to power that through the defense.
The Timberwolves making a switch here. Out of bounds, Minnesota takes possession.
Well, that's inexcusable to throw a pass that far off the mark.
Here's Morris. Launches a three, and he gets the bucket. 60 seconds off the clock here in the fourth. Here's Caldwell Pope. And he caught that pass in full stride on his way to the big slam. Minnesota calls timeout. Here's Morris. Fires, high post. Porter pulls it in.
Physically, there's no doubt they've been the stronger team. That plus 10 rebound advantage tells you all you need to know.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. Offensive rebound. Jokic. Good. Here's Morris. Back to Anderson. Down low. Morris with the bucket.
Boy, he picked him out brilliantly with that feed inside.
And we're around 2 minutes into the fourth quarter here. Outside Gordon. Oh, and there's the alley-oop. An emphatic alley-oop jam. Got a piece of it. And here's the break. Goes up. Porter with it. Here's Morris. Shot clock at 2-0. Off the left rim and out. Porter with it. We're in the final quarter of play here. 3 minutes in. To the paint. Here's Gordon. The shot is off. Here's Morris. Pass to Anderson. 0. The Timberwolves again can't hit. Right side, Gordon. Count the bucket. Here's Morris. Back to Anderson. Six on the shot clock. 0. And he hits it just before the shot clock expires. To the middle. The full court press. Offline.